And we begin simply by observing our breath. Breath is the foundation of every practice in yoga. I can tell just by the way my students breathe in what state they are. Because our bodies usually are restricted to the chest breathing when our bodies are in a flight or fight response where our sympathetic nervous system is activated. In order to relax and bring our body into parasympathetic system, we need to breathe in our abdomens. And this is the first practice that I usually recommend to start with. So I invite you to find a cushion, to make sure you're warm, to align your spine, feel that it's perfectly straight, that your pubic bone is a little bit lifted and your tailbone is rooted down, down, down to the earth. I also like to imagine as if we are rooting, growing roots, so we're fully supported in this moment. We relax our hands, we close our eyes, we make sure that all flashlights are pointing forward. Our shoulders are relaxed and away from the ears. Our jaw is relaxed. Our chin is a bit tucked back. And we bring a smile to our face. And it's scientifically proved that smile relaxes our body and sends signals to our brain that we are safe. And I invite you to place one of your hands on your abdomen and one on your chest. And just start breathing. Inhale through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. And again, inhale through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. Inhale, calm. Exhale, stress. And now bring your attention to the lower hand. On the inhale, fill your belly like a balloon with air. And on the exhale, bring it back to the spine. So on the inhale, your belly expands. And on the exhale, your belly contracts. And now place one of your hands on your ribcage. And on the next inhale, I invite you to fill your belly, feel your ribcage, and only then feel your chest. On the exhale, you contract your chest, you contract your ribcage, you contract your abdomen. Repeat 3 more times. We inhale in our belly, we inhale in our ribcage, we inhale in our chest. And then we exhale from our chest, from our ribcage, from our belly. It's called 3-part breath, which prepares us for the meditative state of mind. And you might already feel calmer, more peaceful, but at the same time energized. It's a very special combination between peace and energy, and meditation together with breathing brings that state. And the simplest way to start meditating is by simply observing your breath. So come back to your abdomen and let's just observe here and breathe naturally without any control. Just stay with me here for a few more moments, just observing your breath. And thoughts might come and go, and you might feel desire to move and fidget, and you might feel not comfortable in the beginning. That's completely normal. Just stay where you are. Pay attention to the positioning of your spine. Remember those flashlights. Relax your jaw. Have back of your neck flat, your shoulders away from ears, and just breathe in your abdomen, in your rib cage, in your chest, and in the same manner back, through the nose. Without counting, without forcing, just in your natural pace. Let's do it for 1 more minute. In silence. Just observing what arises. Allowing those thoughts pass by like clouds. Imagine that you're the sky and you're not those clouds. Our thoughts are just energy. Try to not to judge them, giving them meaning. They come and go. Be the sky and breathe for as long as you feel comfortable. Now make an intention to move your hands and open your eyes. Thank you for joining me for this first session. I hope it helps you to start your own practice. And believe me, if you do at least 5 minutes of simply sitting somewhere and observing your breath, the results and the benefits of this simple practice are immeasurable. It can literally change your life. You already feel calmer, more clear, more energized, more peaceful. And that's exactly the aim of meditation, to bring you into that peaceful space where you can feel yourself, when you can get into that observer's mode, where you can be the sky and feel your limitless nature. So if you like this practice with me today, subscribe to our YouTube channel. We will be releasing every week more practices where I will take you in the progression to deeper meditative states. I can answer any question about your practice in our Facebook group, or you can comment here on YouTube, or you can email me. May you be peaceful and full of love. Namaste.